welcome to the show. I'm Tony Chachere. This is Jackson.
Hi.
This is Presley.
Hi.
And this is baby Harper. So today's episode is we're ready for football. Are you ready for some football? No? You like to hook 'em? Hook 'em. Hook 'em. Presley, you want some football? Football, touchdown! Touchdown! So today's recipe is we're gonna make some Louisiana crab dip. It's gonna be super delicious. You're gonna love it. So stay tuned and let's get ready to cook. Let's get to cooking. Let's go. Go, go, go. Our butter. Nice medium high heat. Let the butter melt a little bit. But we don't want the butter to burn. And we got garlic. And go ahead and put in your onion also. Stir it around. Let it sweat, saute it. Cream cheese, sour cream, mayo, heavy whipped cream. Then we got some seasoning. This is white onion powder, Tony Chachere, garlic powder, and dry parsley. Give it. Mix it up all good. Worcestershire. Tabasco. Turn the heat down to low. Half a lemon. Pepper for taste. Then the special ingredient, crab, lump crab, white crab. Put it in. Stir gently, you don't want to break it up. Turn off the heat. Put it on a cast iron skillet. And go, shake it out, make it even. Then cheese, lots of cheese. At 400 degrees. Then after 5 minutes, wow, look at that beauty. Take it out. Onion on top. Two, three. Jackson, what you said? Ready? I'm gonna count again. 1, 2, 3.